In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this rigid body-based art in Blender. This is how the scene was arranged. Basically, it's a rigid body-based animation. There are two sets of cubes, and I added a golden material to all of them. A plane was used as a passive rigid body object, to hold the dropping cubes. I'll show you how the cubes were created. Type S and Z to scale in the Z axis and S and Y to scale in the Y axis. In object mode, press Ctrl A to reset all transforms. In edit mode, I beveled the mesh by pressing Ctrl B. Then I duplicated the mesh, went to edit mode, and poked the faces to scale them on the Z axis like this. Here are the material details. Then I added two array modifiers like this. I applied the modifiers, went to edit mode, typed A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. Then I moved the origins to geometry. Add an active rigid body with convex hull to one of them and copy the rigid body setting to the rest. If we use the mesh shape, this issue will occur, so please use the convex hull. I'll show you the sky texture settings. I didn't use the composite nodes nor denoise settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.